In this video, we shall present you a simple self-introduction in Japanese, handwritten and simplified for beginners. Self-introduction by a beginner in simple Japanese using Hiragana and Katakana. はじめまして。私は Sujoy です。You can replace the name with your own name. The next sentence インド人です。先週インドのムンバイから来ました。私は医者です。専門は医学です。よろしくお願いします。日本はいい国です。来週おじさんへ行きます。私は来月インドへ帰ります。ありがとうございます。 Now, these are the katakana words. Sujoy, Indo, one more Indo, Mumbai, Indo again. Then we have some words which can be replaced using simple kanji symbols, which we have already studied in our lessons so far. One is watashi. Let's try writing the kanji of watashi. This is watashi. Next is Nihon, that is Japan. Ni Hon. Kuni, country. And the final one, Fujisan, Mount Fuji. So Fujisan is a typical one. Look at the stroke order. This is Fujisan, followed by the kanji of mountain, which is Yama, that is Fujiyama. So this finishes our writing practice. So let's take a relook at this writing and let's discuss segment by segment. So the first one is Hajime Mashite. The meaning of Hajime Mashite is nice to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you. So this is used when we meet someone for the first time. Watashi wa Sujoy desu. That is, I am Sujoy. Sujoy is written in katakana, it being a foreign word, a non-Japanese word. Hajime mashite, watashi wa Sujoy desu. The next line is Indojin desu. That is, I am Indian. I am an Indian citizen. Indo Jin. Jin is a citizen of some country. Indojin desu. Senshu. Senshu means last week. Indo no Mumbai. Indo no Mumbai. That is India's Mumbai. Last week I came from Mumbai. Last week I came from Mumbai, India. So I have come to Japan. I reached Japan. I came to Japan last week from Mumbai, India. Senshu Indo no Mumbai kara kimashita. I have come from Mumbai, India last week. Nice to meet you. I am Sujoy. I am an Indian. I came from Mumbai, India last week. Watashi wa isha desu. I am a doctor. Watashi wa isha desu. Isha is means doctor. So this is the occupation. Watashi wa isha desu. Shokugyo, occupation. Senmon, my specialization. Senmon wa igaku desu. My specialization my specialization is medicine. I am a doctor of medicine. Watashi wa isha desu. Senmon wa igaku desu. よろしくお願いします。I am looking forward for a continued association with you. So these are the expressions. Hajime mashite and yoroshiku onegaishimasu. These go together. So we begin with nice to meet you, Hajime mashite, and we end with yoroshiku onegaishimasu. That is, I look forward to a continued association with you. So this is a typical Japanese culture, Japanese expression. So let's recap until here. はじめまして、私はスジョエです。インド人です。先週、インドのムンバイから来ました。私は医者です。専門は医学です。よろしくお願いします。Next is we add few more lines to the introduction. 日本はいい国です。This means Japan is a great country. So the person has liked Japan very much. So he is expressing his happiness. 日本はいい国です。Japan is a great country. 来週、富士山へ行きます。I am going to visit Mount Fuji next week. 先週 was last week, 来週 is next week. 来週、富士山へ行きます。I am going to visit, I am going to Mount Fuji next week. Japan is a great country. I am going to Mount Fuji next week. 私は来月。来月 means next month. 私は来月インドへ帰ります。私は来月インドへ帰ります。That means I am returning back to India next month. I will return back to my home country India next month. ありがとうございます。Thank you. So first I introduce myself, then I talk a little about Japan and where I plan to visit in Japan and when I am returning back to my home country. So I am a doctor. I came here for some work. So I like Japan very much. Japan is a great country and I am going to visit Mount Fuji and then I will return back. So let's have a take a look at this conversation one more time. はじめまして、私はスジョエです。インド人です。先週、インドのムンバイから来ました。私は医者です。専門は医学です。よろしくお願いします。日本はいい国です。来週、富士山へ行きます。私は来月、インドへ帰ります。ありがとうございます。So this is the summary and these are the kanji symbols that we discussed. Watashi. So this is drawn to scale. So this should be little thinner. So I'm sorry about that. Then we have Nihon. We have Kuni for country. And then we have Fujisan. This one. So with that, we finish this practice lesson. So in a similar way, you can practice your own self introduction and not necessarily you should include all these that I included. You can have your own, but do practice on your notebook, write your self introduction, read it aloud, and that will make you more fluent in both speaking and writing Japanese. Thanks for watching this video. Till we meet again, goodbye. Arigato gozaimasu. Mata imashou.